Let's get pumped. That's right, everybody. Welcome back to our channel. We're going to get pumped. That's right. Today, we're going to get pumped. Not the way you're thinking, but we're going to be pumping up some tires. And what are we pumping them up with? We got another battery tire inflator from, I believe it's NOCO. And it's a portable air compressor. It is from VTVKT. I'll put the link down in the description. It's available on Amazon. They have 3 colors available. You could get orange, you could get black, and you could get red. What a surprise. I got the red. I'm keeping this one. So I'm sitting there going, you know what? We're going on this long ride here shortly. So why don't we do a pre-ride inspection and check our tire pressure, and let me turn off that pesky light. So what we're going to do next is an unboxing, and we're going to see what's in it. All right, so here it is. We're going to unbox it. We're going to open up the box. It's a nice box. There's a joke there, but I'll leave it alone. It's got a nice carry case. I like this carry case, actually.
Oh, it's got a handle.
Yeah, it's got a nice handle on it. It's zippered. So we'll open this up. Ta-ta! And look, there is the air pump.
Ooh, cool.
In red.
Yes.
They asked me what color I wanted. I said, I'll take the red.
And it matches the bike.
The bike.
Sort of. Yeah.
That's why I wanted red. But it's got a nice little plastic protector on it. We're going to rip that Band-Aid off since we are keeping this one. We're not giving this one away like we've done with the past. We're going to keep this one. Bam.
Ta-da.
So what else is in here? We got all the little adapters for athletic balls. So like soccer balls, footballs, basketballs.
Beach balls.
Beach balls, not baseballs.
I would hope not.
They give you a nice USB to USB-C charger.
Cool. It's on the other side.
Yep. And
for bicycles, maybe.
or tires for your car, truck, motorcycle, trailer. You name it. If it's got a tire inflator, you need to inflate it. This will do it. This has got a 12,000 milliamp battery on it, guys. 12,000 milliamp. That's pretty cool. And the price of this is, orange is $79.99. I got it right here. The black is $75.99, and the red is at a discount at $71.99 on Amazon. So here we go. Let's get this connected to the bike, and we're going to get pumped up. Power this baby on. Hopefully we got juice in it. Oh, there we go. We got juice.
Yeah.
Now the target, what the bike is telling me, is 40 PSI. So we're going to bring this up to 40. Boy, it gets granule.
No kidding. There.
40 PSI. Now we're going to connect it to our tire valve. Hello, tire valve.
It's on there.
Yes, we're working on it.
I'm talking to the valve thing.
All right. And it locks on. And it's telling me right now that I have 34.7 PSI. So we're going to start it. And when it hits 40, it should auto stop. We're going to find out. It's done. It finished its 40 PSI, and it's got a little green light that says done. I think that's pretty cool. So now we're going to take this and go to the front, and the target PSI for the front is 36. Now for our front tire, the target PSI is 36 PSI. So right now we got 32.9, which basically is 33 PSI. So we're going to add 3 PSI to it, and this will literally take a few minutes. This pump was fast. I like it.
There. That was super quick. There you go. 36.
Okay, we're at 36 PSI right now as we speak. But this has got a few other cool features that I want to show you guys because it's also pretty cool. Because it's more than just an air pump. It is a flashlight, a strobe. Oh, it's got an amber light. I didn't know that. That's pretty cool. A amber strobe, and then off. Also, on here, there is a regular USB and a USB-C. You could take this USB with the cable they give you. Watch this, guys. This will be interesting. You're going to think this is cool. I'm really digging this. So I'm liking the options that this gives you. So if you're in a jam and you have this and your battery and your phone's about ready to die, you pull this out.
Oh.
And you plug your phone right in. And it starts to charge it.
That's pretty cool. That's really cool.
Yeah. Well, we could also charge this on the bike because there is a USB-C in there that we can connect. Well, I need a USB-C to USB-C cable, but this already has a USB to USB-C, so I could charge our phones, probably our camera equipment with this. And why not? Guys, for the $71.99 for the red, I think that's really cool.
Yeah.
Now, also here on the front, you know, you could change it from sport ball.
I don't know.
You got your car, motorcycle, bicycle, sport ball, and a person, I guess. You can inflate to 120 psi. I don't know who would want to be inflated to 120 psi. But
I guess if they wanted to fly.
Yep. But that's it, guys. That's a pretty cool product, you know, that we're definitely going to be carrying with us in the bike, especially on long road trips. Because I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. With the change of temperature, temperature drops 5 psi, you're going to, I'm sorry, not 5 psi, temperature drops 5 degrees, you're going to lose 1 psi of tire pressure. And as you ride, it's going to build back up. But why ride with a lower tire pressure if you don't need to? All right, everybody, hopefully you like this video. Again, I'll have in the description a link to this on Amazon. Guys, if you want one, I mean, I highly recommend it. So far, I'm digging it, and it's doing a really good job. It came fully charged. I didn't have to charge it. So, guys, it's going to be in the description of the video. If you want one, click on the link, order it, and make sure you carry one with you. All right, everybody, until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often, as always, ride hard.